One of the best confirmations of a strong bullish trend by the ASI indicator is when its value closes above zero and continues to remain in positive numbers. Often a clear indication the market has moved into a period of deliberation with strong indecisive movement is when ASI remains in a fairly narrow band around zero, frequently going in and out of negative and positive territory. When ASI drops below zero and remains firmly within negative territory, it is often the confirmation of a sustainable downtrend. Usually, ASI will closely follow the movement of a line chart made up of closing prices. When trying to determine market sentiment with ASI, values might not always be around zero. For instance, right now the ASI is confirming the strength of this downtrend due to already being at negative values, in addition to maintaining a firm downward slope. And during those periods where ASI falls into flatter movement, it is clear the market is in a neutral and/or indecisive phase. And as expected, sharper changes in price, whether they be increases or decreases, often have a sharp impact on ASI, often reflected as a near vertical line, though usually just for a short duration. And another indication of a strong trend, even when ASI is not crossing above or below zero, is when an uptrend makes consecutively higher highs and higher lows, and a downtrend makes consecutively lower lows and lower highs that match the general movement of what is presented on the price chart. Marking support and resistance areas from clear reversal points from the same approximate time period on both the price chart and ASI can help identify more significant movements such as this moderate breakout. And such marks can continue to be useful to mark certain thresholds. For example, after crossing over these lines, it is important to remain above them to indicate the maintenance of strong bullish sentiment. This is indeed the case, especially with the quick succession of consecutively higher swing points. In fact, this even leads to a kind of ascending triangle formation, which clearly marks an area of potential support and regaining of bullish strength after a natural bearish retracement takes place within the established uptrend.